Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a multi-user access database. People are asking me whether it's possible that access can support up to like 10 people at a time or 20 people at a time. So my answer is no, it can support more than 100 people at a time. Yes. So I have created some databases in the past where multiple users can do that. For that we need to split the database into a backend and front end. Now what happens is the backend is usually placed in the network shared drive and the front ends are distributed to each user. So each user will communicate to the backend, and now the backend database will contain only tables. So I will show you how to split the database. So we have a access database. I'm going to split it into backend and front end. Now we have a test database. I'm opening it. Now I'm opening it. Some pop-ups are coming, so enabling the content. Now if you see, there is an option called database tool. So if you see here, it has all the tables, forms, queries, everything here. So in the side pane. Now I'm going to split this database. Now let's see what happens when we split the database. Now in the database, under the database tools tab, you will see this icon, access database, splitting a database icon. Now click it, split the database. So now I am going to split the database. Okay, it's showing where to save the backend. Now test BE, if you see test underscore BE, that's backend. So I'm going to split it. Yes, it's really fast. Now we have the front end and the backend now. Now our backend is saved in the desktop here. So if you see this, it's test BE. It's showing test BE. That's the name here. Now we have a we have a front end. Now this front end will contain only queries, reports, and forms, and it will have a relationship or a link to the backend tables. Now if you see these tables, so if you see some a dot, a dot icon, in front of every table. So if you see here a dot icon, it shows that this file doesn't have any tables, but it is communicating to a table in the backend. Now this is how it works. So what we are going to do is we need to copy this and share it to the users, or the users, front end users. Now this will communicate to the backend, and I will show you how to create a sophisticated or more advanced multi-user database in my coming or upcoming videos. So I am preparing it. So thank you guys, thank you for your time.